Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome. If you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe, follow for more of our videos and tutorials. Follow, so I'll be bringing to you more videos of this kind. So today we'll be taking us on landscape, taking on landscape today. After which we're going to do design of tank stand for rendering this edifice, the structure. For rendering it, we're going to place a tank stand behind him. I'm going to teach you how to do the tank stand. Meanwhile, let us have let us have let us design a landscape around it. First of all, we'll go to first floor plan. Okay. Bring it down. Have to expand the floor plan. Okay. Therefore, we place this in our last video. So when we come down to this video, I'm going to change the texture. Okay. Finish. So let's change the texture of this. Let's change the design. First of all, we have to let's check this field floor. Check this floor out. We're having the similar floor here. Okay. Probably we're not even having floor in these regions anymore. It's like the floor edited off. Anyway, let's just continue here. Let's do this quickly. Let's set the floor. The field floor which we selected. This is the height. This is the thickness. As I see, this floor has been used before. Okay, this settings is used. The setting is used for ceiling. So let's change it for floor. Let me say. Let's say it's concrete. It says concrete. I like this. Try to set to as rendered item. Change this. Let me use let's use from all classics. Let's pick up certain interlock for it. Okay. Select a certain interlock for it. This is an interlock. It's an interlock. Okay. Let's just use this one. Let's use this one. Okay. Let's make the surface to be probably stony, kind of, concrete kind of. But now rendering up, this is what we're going to have. Therefore, let me change the dimension of this to expanding the form of that. Let's see what we've done. Okay, apply. Okay, 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 okay. So it has changed to what we have here. So from the look of things, this place doesn't have floor. Doesn't have floor, and this floor stopped somewhere here. Edit. Like on the process of designing, we lost it somehow. Okay. Yeah. Let's pick a line. Oh no, this is just running around this morning. Okay. Pick your trimmer. And finish. Sketch. So we still have external. This is our lobby. What's really happening? Oops. Edit. All the designs we did left somehow. This way. This is the floor here. This design is so the internal this lobby area. We use different design for the lobby area. Finish. Let's take another different floor. Save. Pick up a line. Sketches. Dragging the edges to the exact point it should be. Let me still go forward further a bit so as to know that this area is finished. Let's pick more line. Let's round up with the toilet area too. Except the veranda, which we know fully well. We used to use similar tools for all of them. We used to use similar tools for the verandas. Okay, let me scroll this time. Yes. Yeah, I have that. So let's pick single line. So let's do this. Okay, I think we are done with the toilet. Let's finish this. And let's pick the two and change it to okay 2. 1 and 2 is the same thing. 1 and 2 is the same thing. Let me do this quickly. We'll change the 2 with thickness. Okay. 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 Okay, I see. Should be. Let's do this. Should be a third one. Should be a third one. But this is going to be. We're going to change in this. That's where the issue came from. Okay. Let's duplicate this. Okay. Let's duplicate it. Duplicated it, so let's change it to this pattern just differ from whatever we're having before. The pattern should remain. So let's go here and do this. Let's think this one is okay now. So duplicated it. It's okay. Okay, let's go back here. Very slow. So let's change this. Complete. Complete. Let's go back to the tiles which we used before. Let's see the settings which we had before. Okay. This is what we'll have. And we'll have it initially even we'll have it initially even the veranda area. We'll have it. So let's change the pattern. Let's change the pattern. Just change this surface pattern. Let me use this. Okay. I'll have it all over here. I'll have this. So let's quickly do landscape. Let's create a flower pot. Let's create a flower pot. We've done in the last video. Look at our flower pots. We've created our flower pots already. Let's create our kebs. Look at our flower pots already. So let's create our kebs. So let's use massing. Can you use massing? Let's create massing. Let's create something different and still change the color of the kebs from white to something else, probably black or gray. So it mustn't be black. I can still change the setting of the regular kebs. Let's do this quickly. Which of the generic I was supposed to use? Any of the generic will use. I use wall. Can use anything. Okay, let's use entourage. Okay. Let's name it entourage. Solid form. Solid swept. So let's pick. We're not placing it in the form now. It will be on the surface. So we're going this way. We're going here. Going this way. We go this way and hit here. Let's do similar thing. Okay. Don't think it will work. So meanwhile, let's pick a line. Draw more than one format. We're going to work. Okay. Trimmer like this. Okay, we've gotten this. Let's finish pattern. It's facing the southern region. So if I don't drawing from west or from south or east, let's go to draw from the western region. So whatever we want, can do it here. Speak it this way. This is the regular curves we used to have. Okay, let's still maintain it. And the height to be 400. Let's say 500. This element. Let this equally. The width onto the bay 4 inches. Okay. Also, let's remove this for now. One we are through. Onto the 4 inches. 4 inches. Sorry, 4 inches is is 100 millimeter. This should be 2 inches, which is 50 millimeter. So 50, not 500, 50 millimeter. If you pick up a pen, let's have the surface. These are regular kebs. Trim. Let's finish. Finish. Don't need to draw these kebs again. Okay. Now let me highlight and bring it down. Edit. Highlight again. Remove the quick clamp. Take it down. The height we want it to be. Let's see what we've had. Finish. Family. Let's see what we've gotten in our 3D. So let's paint this quickly and change the color. I'll change the color and make it white. Change it anything. Sorry. We're going to family. This view property. Edit this. Entourage. If you're working with this entourage, show category, objects style, entourage, this entourage, what do you have to call it? I've used mason, I've used stone, so let's use something different. We are use chrome. This is asphalt. Then it's black gloss. It's black glossy. Let's change something here. I pick up a material for it. I also use the black color, even black gloss, just to change the dark bit to lighten a bit. It's okay. Let me do this. I can make it to be white. Let me show you. Finish. 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 This is white already. So we can still change it to be black. Anything. Okay. So let us make it a little bit gray property. So the reason why I did that finishing, so that it's for educational purpose. Entourage. Going back here, go to your render property. Bring it here. I want to bring it here. It's gray. Not spots. Okay. Okay. Can change it to be red. Can make it to be yellow. Make it to be anything you want to do. This is what we've got. From our last video, we did curves. So video we did curves, you make it to be white. So I want to change this one because of that now. Okay. Since the one, just that, nothing else. So let's take up this leaf floor plan. We're going to see it quickly. I'm not seeing it anywhere. So let's go to site. Let's go to view, 3D. That's the way we're going to be seeing it. So top view. Top view. And let's copy this. Don't need to draw again. Copy this from here. This extent. Therefore rotate it. Rotate down. Okay. Take it closer. We're going to do modification in all of this. So from here now edit, highlight, edit, highlight, edit. Let me do this. I like this equally. Let's bring it closer. Let's extend this. Let's extend. It's like this. So let's finish. Finish short. Finish family. There's something is happening here. It's not flushing. So let's go back. Do to edit. It's short. Edit. So also highlight this. Else it's going to destroy the setting. Both of them have to be highlighted. I think I have to do something here. Just go inside a bit. So the bit so I can flush here. Go finish. Okay, finish. Finish family. Edit, undo. Let's bring that out again. Finish. Get this one. Right here. Because here we need to do small adjustments here. So at the beginning from drawing, light, it, light, it. So from here and here. So it. So let's bring this closer. When we're designing, when we're drawing it in our floor plan, we're not seeing it then. The flower pots are not seeing. Finish family. So we have similar stuff like this. So what else to do? Let us have parking space here, parking arrangement here. Let's have parking arrangement here. Let's pick this. Let's pick this, the top view. Okay. No. Finish. Supposed to copy. Yes, yeah. Edit. Highlight. Edit. Highlight it again. Then edit. Therefore, or something different. So let's move this trimmer to bring both of them together. This just running around today. This, like this here. This, pick a pencil, a line. I'm still sketching, just free sketching. Therefore, what is the dimension? Want it to be spacing each other should be, let's say 1.2, 1,200. What is the length? Want it to go? The length I want it to go. Want it to achieve 12,000. And it's okay. Let's make it 10,000. 10,000. Therefore, let's cover the edges. Let's cover the edges. Just that. Just that. 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 Pick a trimmer. Pick a trimmer. Okay, let me just do this quickly. I prefer in the last video we cut here all through. But this time around we're not cutting all the way. So I want to achieve different thing all together. Finish. 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 Family. So let's see what we have gotten in 3D view. This is what it got. So let's position it where we want it to be. We want it to be. That's how we're going to position it. That's how the settings I want this place to look like. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Sorry. Use rotating bar. Rotating tool. Move it this way. Okay. I'll show you that the parking space is like this and like that. To achieve this, let's expand this more. Finish. Finish. So let's see. I want to have it like 2. Copy. They think, let's say Josie. Josie. Finish. And then back again. Okay. I can bring it down here again. Edit. Finish. This is to want to kind of bend it a bit like this. Okay. But not be too much sharp. Okay. Let's copy now. Copy. Copy. Bring it down this way. Take that button what I want. So let me highlight these dots. Take it back a bit. Okay. I think I've achieved what I want. I can go this way. The car can drive this way. Okay. I still have a carport here. Some terminals here. So therefore, let me still do this quickly too. Copy. Let's go this way. To have flower pots area, green area, edit, highlight, edit, highlight, edit, highlight, remove, delete, delete, just like this. drag it to the beam, pick a line. This video is going beyond my expectation. Edit, pick a line. I think we're almost done. Okay, let me remove this. Jersey. Let's use line. As much so we do. So let's pick actually it. So picking a curve for it for the edge. Running here the other way around. It's our kebs. Let's place our green areas on it and landscape. Then let's do some trimming. Can create a crazy landscape, but the tools which you needed to use is the kebs, the green area, the flower pots, and the garden. We are going to teach you how to pick all of that in this video. Follow us as we keep bringing to you our design and revit. Follow us for more. In another video, we're bringing the fence in, same time the gates in. Finish finally. So let's see what's done. Okay. This is the view of the floor. So we have our flowers in these areas, our green areas. Okay, we have our flower pots around here. All this place we're going to have our green area. So follow us as we keep bringing designing this structure to its fitting look. So we'll keep bringing to you different concepts on Revit, different design on Revit, different design on Lumion. We're going to go into Lumion soon. As soon as we finish this, we're going to transfer it to Lumion. So follow for more, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like our page. Keep sharing our design for more people to get to know our page more. Thank you.